What could it be? Oh my word. Wow, what a big box. Oh, what is this? It's so cute. Hello. Hi, Jetty. You finally arrived. Oh, you must be tired. Long trip? Look at those precious little toes. Oh, that must feel nice. Get those whiskers cleaned off. Wow, so this is my first fursuit unboxing video. Can you believe it? So velvety soft. And your maker is Schnee Party Creations, right? She did such a good job. Wow, look at those eyes you've got. So beautiful. And that little nose and mouth. Is it easy enough to breathe? Oh, good, good. And look at that. She made this cute little pattern on the side of your fur there. Oh, so precious. Well, I'm gonna help you get out of the box the rest of the way, I think. Unless you want to go back in the box and take another nap. Okay, you want to get out, okay. All right, here we go. Oh, that's right, I'm supposed to help you. Good job.